Fast Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Welcome to video 2. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button so you can keep up to date. And since this is our second video, go back and watch video 1 here, which gives you an overview of what we're going to be talking about. And today, what we're going to be talking about, let me scroll up, is how to choose a niche and how to find offers to promote. And just a quick reminder, this is the affiliate marketing funnel that we're going to be creating. And essentially what this involves is sending traffic, and that can be free traffic or paid traffic, to an email opt-in page, which then you can start to promote offers to people where you can make money. Okay? And also there's going to be this automatic email series that'll be sent out. And in these emails, you also have the opportunity to make money. Okay? And so this is an automated funnel once you have it set up. And so once it is set up, your only job is right here, getting traffic to the opt-in page, and then the rest is automated. So today we do want to talk about how to, and there's two things that you do need for this. So if you haven't got these yet, you need to. Step 1, you need to get an email autoresponder. I only recommend Aweber or GetResponse. There'll be links in the description box down below to grab one of those. I use Aweber, and so that's what we'll be using as we go through this training, so if that makes it easier for you. And then you are going to need some kind of page slash funnel builder, and there's lots of options out there. And in the overview video, I talked about the HBA funnel builder because it's low cost, it's super reasonable, and it's very simple, and they have an awesome affiliate program as well. And so the link is in the description box below for that also. So make sure you get your autoresponder and make sure you get your page funnel builder set up. So niches, if you go, I just did a quick Google search, best online niches for affiliate marketing, and you can, go through and take a look at these websites, do a Google search yourself. And you'll see, they talk about everything from technology, lifestyle, fitness, health, pets, survival, so there's tons and tons of niches. But how do you pick a niche, right? Well, I think it's important to try to pick what I call evergreen niche, because these are niches that are popular regardless of, and they're sustainable over time. Because some niches are kind of fads, right? Like technology changes tremendously, home security changes tremendously. So a lot of niches will change, and so you might only, they might come and go, and you might have success for a short period, but then you got to reinvent everything once that fad goes away. So I think it's important to consider getting into an evergreen niche. And again, this is a niche that's going to be around over time, for years and decades, really, going forward. And then try to probably even sub-niche down. So what I mean by that, here are some evergreen niches. Make money online. That's a huge evergreen niche, okay? It's my primary niche that I work in. I like making money online. You probably would like to also, which is why you're watching this video series. And there are tons, literally tens of millions, if not hundreds of millions of people that want to be able to make money from working online. And so you might want to maybe focus on a sub-niche within that niche, and that could be blogging, pursuing e-commerce, Amazon FBA, email marketing, video marketing, social media. There's tons and tons of sub-niches that fall under the make money online niche. But that's an evergreen niche. People want to make money online when they're 30 years old, 50 years old, even 70 years old. There's a lot of people that are retiring that are looking and turning to this niche to try to make money online. So I like it. I think it's great. I don't think it's ever going to be saturated. I would not worry about that. It's a great niche. Health and fitness is always popular. People are always wanting to get healthier. Again, when they're 30, 50, 70, it doesn't matter their age. They're always looking to try to get healthier. And again, you could focus on, a sub-niche within this larger health and fitness niche. Maybe that's building muscle. Could be losing fat, losing cellulite. You might be focusing on sports, NFL, golf, yoga, etc. There's tons of them. These are just a few. Another evergreen niche, weight loss. I mean, everyone is always looking to lose weight, right? I mean, every New Year's, yeah, that's why gym memberships go up. Everybody wants to lose weight. Now, this is kind of a sub niche of health and fitness, but you can even get more specific within the weight loss niche, such as maybe the keto diet or paleo diet, Mediterranean diet, supplements, tons of other sub niches within weight loss. Some other examples, dating and relationships is an evergreen niche. People always want to improve themselves, better themselves, learn new skills. That's the self-improvement niche. And then finances, and that could be, again, sub-niching into Forex or crypto or other aspects of finance. So I think it's important that when you look at these niches, that there's a couple things you want to keep in mind. Ideally, you want to choose a niche that hopefully you have an interest in, something that is appealing to you, and something that also you're going to enjoy. Because if you don't really have an interest in it, it's going to be hard, right? So, for example, golf. I am not really very big into golf. I played a few times, but certainly I don't keep up with it. I don't follow it. I don't take lessons. I don't buy equipment. So I have a little interest, but not really much. So it probably wouldn't be a great niche for me. It's not something that I really enjoy doing, and if anything, it's very frustrating. So golf probably wouldn't be a great niche for me. But let's say maybe you went on a weight loss journey, you did it following the keto diet, and so obviously you have an interest in it. You probably read up a lot, you've watched videos, you bought books, etc. And hopefully if you had success with it, that means you probably enjoyed it as well. And so that could be a niche for you to get into because it's something that you have an interest in and something that you enjoy. Because you got to be something that's sustainable for you. Okay. The other thing now, so that's choosing a niche. The other thing to consider when choosing a niche is the products that you're promoting. What is their commission structure like? What is the percentage that you're going to be getting? And we'll kind of go over that here in a little bit. But also, are the products that you're promoting, are they going to be paying one-time commissions or recurring commissions? Because having recurring commissions obviously is pretty nice, pretty advantageous, okay? So that you get those commissions that are coming in every single month and not just one-time commissions. The one-time commissions are good. It's always nice to see those, but you're going to be continually chasing those. So for the rest of this video training, we're going to be focusing on the Make Money Online niche and just kind of the general niche. How do you find products? Well, let's just talk in general first, how you find products. So some of the affiliate platforms that I'm sure familiar with. Amazon is probably, one of the biggest out there. You can, for almost any niche that you're in, you're going to find products on Amazon that you can promote and earn commissions. Now, the thing with Amazon, their commission structure is pretty low, usually around the 2 or 3%. So you might sell a, $500 laptop and at a 3% commission structure, you're going to make $15. Okay, so nothing to sneeze at, but not so great, right? So the commission structure is very small here, so that's a little challenging. Here I am inside my ClickBank account. ClickBank is great because I'm going into the marketplace here. They have lots of different niches, so you can get into health, weight loss, make money online, cooking, self-help, survival. I mean, just a ton. You can see all the niches over here on the left-hand side. So they have products for all kinds of different niches, and most of these sellers pay commissions on the low end 30%, and some will go up as even high as 70% or more. So quite a bit better than Amazon's, 2 to maybe 3%. Okay, so ClickBank is a great place. If you're in the Make Money Online niche, JVZoo is very good. You do need to have a little bit of a reputation there to get approved for products. The other advantage, I should say, for Amazon is once you're approved, you can pretty much promote every single product on their platform. Same thing with ClickBank. Once you're approved, you can pretty much promote almost every single product. It's rare that you have to get approved to promote a product. Now, that's going to be different when you go into other platforms like JVZoo. You're going to need to get approval for every single product that you want to promote. And depending on your history of selling on the platform, you may or may not get approved. That's also going to be true of Warrior Plus, which is another big make money online platform to sell fine products. You can go to others like ShareASale. It is going to be the same thing there in that you're going to need to first join ShareASale, but then once you've joined, you're going to have to get approved to promote products on ShareASale. Same thing with like CJ, which is Commission Junction. You set up a CJ account, and then you have to get approved. Now, a lot of other large companies, Target, Walmart, they'll either have their own affiliate program, but most times they're doing them through a third party. And so you have to apply for that third party affiliate platform and then apply for, say, Target, Walmart, etc. After that. So that is how to choose a niche and then how to find products. The other thing, as far as finding products, you can just go and say, say you want to promote, I don't know, maybe you have a favorite TV, probably need to think more specific product, maybe, something like a mattress, Purple Mattress, right? They're a big memory foam mattress company. And so you can go to Google and you can type in Purple Mattress affiliate and you'll find how to apply to be an affiliate for them. So that's another way you can find how to promote products as an affiliate. So the next video we're going to jump into is how to create your email opt-in page, and that is going to be, because that is kind of the key, the linchpin to this funnel, is being able to collect those emails so you can send out automatic email messages after that. So we'll get into that video next.